Today is the MMM class. We're going to do sort of, again, 3 sections. First section is essentially statistics for experiments or statistics for advanced attribution. And then what we typically do in the class is we do what's called a statistics game. Okay, and this is Bharati will run the game for us. The idea is we're going to do a 5-minute lecture. Like, for example, what is hypothesis testing? What is two-tailed test, right? And then she will have a little sort of a problem on screen. Okay, that's the first part, okay? Second part is a workshop on marketing mix modeling, okay? It's going to be led by 2 gentlemen who will jump in. One gentleman, his name is Mari Subramaniam. He is one of the certified modelers in M Squared. Another gentleman, his name is Malik. Third session is an invited speaker session. We have 3 distinguished leaders in the industry around CPG measurement. So 3 sections, again, very practitioner focused, so very hands-on, a lot of R code, a lot of data, statistics, formulae, stuff like that. So, and then we'll finish with a really cool invited speaker session, okay? That's the setup for today's class.
We'll cover 4 topics, which includes actually 5 questions. The first topic is hypothesis testing. The second is, as Madan said, like difference in difference, which is a counterfactual prediction approach. And we have DTW, or dynamic time warping algorithm, which allows you to compare time signals. And finally, we'll cover 2 topics from geotest design.
So I think that sometimes getting the first model out is quick and easy, right? But like then iterating, getting to a point where the model makes a lot of sense, and also, you know, educating and guiding kind of the clients to a point where they feel comfortable taking decisions, right?
So we thought, okay, let's have a common platform that can give us a machine and also all the predefined ROB and libraries loaded, so that we are able to reproduce the results and essentially have less ambiguity while presenting the results.
There is significantly growing maturity on this front. Like the retailer media networks or the retailers do understand that we're going to use that data to build these models. So typically all of these data points are available in a non-PII fashion again. So you'd have, you know, if you ran a Mother's Day campaign, you would have media delivery data for that. You have typical CTR, CPC, click-through rate metric.
I can do more things in terms of what they do for us, because it's, again, you know, it's a small part of the total. We make up, I don't know what percentage of total US sales, right? Let's say it's 5%. You can't really model from there, and going out to 10 of the biggest retailers out there and get the data and get it in a form that's actually workable in the sense that it's clean.
So the insight is that we always strive for, as an MMM people, people who are trying to build media mix model, we always say our models are holistic and all of that. That's fantastic. But what I've discovered is that, especially when we get to complex areas like CPG, it may not even be possible to build one big model that does everything you want to do. So we can change perhaps our perspective, our philosophy of looking at it, and say, well, instead of trying to merge everything into one big model, maybe we have to live with smaller, more targeted models.
In a case where you only have a test market without control markets, where you're saying, okay, we had this test market, here's what it looked like before we implemented the
This
test.
is matching test and control.
Rick, have we talked about how to do estimated percentage lift yet, outside of, you have to kind of start somewhere, right? So is there a way to do this without having done a media mix model or a match market test beforehand?
All right. Any other questions before we wrap? Going once, going twice. Okay. See you Friday for the last class. Thank you so much.